Welcome everybody, this is a broadcast Jamaican with one another tuori. This time we are come with Lovaz Liip. In a St. Elizabeth, you have one place one named Lovaz Liip where they near Yardley Chase near Southfield. The cliff about 1,500 foot high. People say that one time the hill did have one piece of precipice, sake of water did wash with the land where they are top. It not stay so again though. When you turn up at the edge, you can see the land will bush up and full of rock stone. I go down all the way go at the sea. I won't leap a tour them about how it gets its name, you know. This is just one of them. Long time ago, when slave did debut, you did have one sugar plantation named Charlie Hall. One pretty slave girl did live there will love off one slave boy from one next plantation. It never too far from Charlie Hall. Him ever come look for her from Content Plantation when him did there. But guess what? The background master from Charlie Hall did want her for himself. So when him hear about the slave boy from Content, him begs bad. Him find the boy and tell him say, if me see you on my land just one more time, I dead you dead. The boy catch him afraid and never come back at Charlie Hall. But him and him girlfriend hide and meet on top of a high cliff near Charlie Hall. Them things said nobody never know about them hideout. But the girl brother did know and him never like it one bit. Him want Master Charlie for take him pretty sister for himself, so life would have better for him. Cause if him sister living at the master house, everything would have alright. So him go bust pan them. That make Master Charlie vex. Him turn red and say, I know me I go kill him. That night there, him go at the cliff and lay await them. When time the slave boy reach, him take him gun kill him and wait pan the girl for come. When she reach, Master Charlie just kick the boy body off of the cliff. She couldn't believe say true. The man what she love can't dead. No fear lover. She jump on Master Charlie and start fight him till him reach the edge of the cliff. And she just shove him over. Then she just chuck off and did right side her boyfriend, the man what she love bad. That a broadcast Jamaican with Lovaz Liip. Make sure say una like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.